While I am Jagender Rana, so product of the day is Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. The Ayushman Bharat Yojana, now called the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, aims to be one of the world's largest health insurance schemes. It aims to offer a health insurance plan of rupees 5 lakh annually per family for secondary and tertiary care, hospitalization, benefiting over 12 crore vulnerable families. The selection of households is based on the deprivation and occupational criteria outlined in the socio-economic caste census 2011 and urban areas respectively. The Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Bima or Jan Arogya Yojana is a fully funded initiative by the government with implementation costs shared between the central and state governments. So by alleviating the financial burden of healthcare expenses, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana strives to ensure equitable access to quality medical services, thus contributing significantly to the welfare and well-being of millions of families across India. So the detail regarding this scheme is important to understand. It was launched by the Government of India. The Ayushman Bharat Yojana or Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is geared towards offering healthcare benefits to economically disadvantaged segments of society. Rolled out in September 2018, it stands as the world's largest government-funded healthcare program, offering extensive Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana benefits and Ayushman card benefits. So the Ayushman Bharat Yojana offers cashless healthcare benefit of up to rupees 5 lakh per eligible family per year. The benefits can be availed at empaneled hospitals and healthcare providers across the country. So as one of the most significant healthcare schemes on a global scale, it aims to cover approximately 50 crore people of India. So PMJY scheme offers a range of healthcare services. They include diagnostic tests, doctor consultations, and treatment for a variety of diseases. It also covers secondary and tertiary hospitalization expenses, also intensive care unit charges and other related medical expenses. So the benefits of this scheme can be understood that healthcare cover of rupees 5 lakh per family is available. It aims to 50 lakh beneficiaries. It provides a health cover of 5 lakh rupees to families living below the poverty line. So health cover is free as the central and state government pay the annual premium in a 60-40 ratio. So all families listed in the SECC database to be covered. Means beneficiaries for the schemes are picked up from the socio-economic caste census of 2011. So these 10 crore beneficiary families comprise 8 crore families from the rural areas and 2 crore families residing in urban areas. There is no cap on the family size and the age as this health cover is inclusive for all. Moreover, the scheme holds women, children, especially girls and those over 60 in a special regard. The scheme provides those in need to get secondary healthcare benefits offered by specialists like cardiologists and urologists. Moreover, advanced medical treatment like that for cancer, cardiac surgery and other is also covered. The Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana covers pre-existing illnesses and makes mandatory treatment in all public hospitals unlike most other insurance covers. This means that those who require medical care cannot be turned away. Removing the burden of out-of-pocket expenses, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana aims to make the entire process of paying for healthcare cashless. Additionally, PMJY beneficiaries can seek treatment across India. All public and empaneled private hospitals cannot charge any extra payment for medical care from all PMJY beneficiaries. This is to reduce any corruption or delay in services. Since the scheme covers such a large population, it will be purchasing services from private healthcare providers. This scheme is also expected to encourage the production of more affordable healthcare equipment and drugs. So the scheme will improve the quality of life of the weaker sections of society. They'll get timely care and finances to tackle their health issues. The scheme will lead to better infrastructure development in rural and underserved areas across the country. This lead to more Indians having access to healthcare. The government has created 1,350 medical packages that cover a range of health services. This includes daycare treatment, surgery, hospitalization and medicines with the PMJY health cover. So, cashless healthcare under this scheme is available. Eligible individuals can avail of cashless healthcare services for up to ₹5 lakh per family per year. This service can be availed at empaneled hospitals and healthcare providers. So, free hospitalization benefits worth ₹90,000 to under 4 crore have been provided to beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana since this scheme was rolled out, according to the latest data. So more than 68.62 million people have so far benefited from this scheme, which offers ₹5 lakh a year for free health cover. The scheme has been made available for 107 million poor households in the country since September 2018, roughly covering the bottom 40% of the population. The PMJY has played a pivotal role in reducing out-of-pocket expenditure, which used to push millions into poverty earlier. So when the scheme was launched, an estimated 62% of healthcare costs were borne out of pocket, pushing millions of Indians into poverty every year. People from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat were the top beneficiaries under this scheme. Under PMJY, close to 2,000 procedures are available for beneficiaries to get cashless treatment, which includes all the costs related to treatment, medicines, supplies, diagnostic services, physician's fee, room charges, surgeon charges, OT and ICU charges, etc. For the top specialty care treatment covered by beneficiaries to date are general medicines, infectious disease, general surgery, medical oncology, ophthalmology and orthopedics. Among the procedures availed by the people are hemodialysis, screening for COVID-19, multiple packages and acute febrile illness. More than 353.4% million Ayushman cards have been issued to beneficiaries so far. As many as 30,357 public and private hospitals are empaneled under the scheme. So considering that many people in the country are just one medical bill away from slipping into poverty, the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance recently recommended that PMJY schemes be extended to the missing middle on a paid basis. So according to a Niti Aayog report unveiled in October 2021, at least 30% of the population or 400 million individuals called the missing middle in this report are devoid of any financial protection for health. So, the PMJY scheme, also known as the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, is the biggest healthcare scheme in the world. Sponsored by the Government of India, the Prime Minister rolled out the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana healthcare scheme to cover more than 12 crore poor and underprivileged families without any limitation on family size and age. So Ayushman Bharat Yojana will help these households to avail better healthcare services with medical insurance coverage up to Rs 5 lakh per year for tertiary and secondary hospitalization expenses. For the PM Ayushman Bharat Yojana scheme of Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana scheme is paperless and offer cashless hospitalization cover at public hospitals and network private hospitals. For this, Ayushman Bharat Health Insurance covers the cost of hospitalization, pre-hospitalization, medication, and post-hospitalization during the treatment of tertiary and secondary care procedures. So this Yojana nearly 1,009 includes. This Yojana includes nearly 1,949 treatments like skull surgery, knee replacement surgery, etc. Moreover, it covers the cost of follow-up care and treatments to ensure full recovery. So from this facts only you can understand that free hospitalization benefit worth rupees 90,204 crore have been provided to beneficiaries of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana since the scheme was rolled out. So more than 68.62 million people have so far benefited from this scheme, which offers Rs 5 lakh a year for health cover. The scheme has been made available for 107 million poor households in the country since September 2018, roughly covering the bottom 40% of the population. So this scheme has played a pivotal role in reducing out-of-the-pocket expenditure, which used to push millions into poverty earlier. So when the scheme was launched, an estimated 62% of healthcare costs were borne out of pocket, pushing millions of Indians into poverty every year. Now people from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat were the top beneficiaries under this scheme. Under this PMJY, close to 2,000 procedures are available for beneficiaries to get cashless treatment, which includes all the costs related to treatment, medicines, supplies, diagnostic services, physician's fee, room charges, surgeon charges, etc. So according to Niti Aayog report unveiled in October 2021, at least 30% of the population or 400 million individuals called the missing middle are to get this scheme also. Why? Because among the procedures availed by the people are hemodialysis, screening for COVID-19, multi-packages and acute febrile illnesses. More than 353.4 million Ayushman cards have been issued to beneficiaries so far. As many as 30,357 public and private hospitals are empaneled under the scheme. So considering that many people in the country are just one medical bill away from slipping into the poverty. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance recently recommended that the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana scheme be extended to the missing middle on a paid basis. So this is going to be expanded now, and the scheme is providing full benefit to the people below poverty line, and see how the people are getting the benefit of this and this is becoming popular across the country now. Thank you very much.